Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alyssa. In case you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for clicking on my video today. I have a space heater right next to me because it's freaking frigid cold where I'm at, and then I have like my oven going on in the background, so I'm sorry for all like the background noise that you're gonna hear throughout this video. It's just, it is what it is. I debated on doing this like as a voiceover kind of video, but I was like, those are so like impersonal to me. I just personally like talking directly to the video camera, or in this case my phone, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Hopefully this sounds okay because it's my first time filming this way, so we'll see. I just filmed a look using the other products from the other half of this release with Revolution Beauty, and it's with Suicide Squad, Harley, and Joker, and it's 3 products right here, but I am not including it in this video because I'm splitting it up, so it's gonna be like a part 2 to this video, kind of, but it's not gonna be available on my YouTube channel. Actually, I'm just gonna be uploading it exclusive to TikTok, which I am very overdue for signing up for, but I finally caved in and I'm kind of hooked now watching all the TikToks. Yes, I know. Like I said, I filmed that, and that is going to be available on my TikTok right now, so if you want to watch the look that I created with that, then that'll be linked down below. Batman, or no, I guess comics in general, are something that I'm super passionate about, and so anytime that there's a new makeup release that is comic related, either DC or Marvel, I always have to get it because I feel compelled. The brand can be absolute garbage. I don't even care. I want it. I have like some glitter residue from one of the eyeshadow shades that's like all over my face. So we're just gonna pretend that's not there. The little spoiler here, this cream blush shade that I'm wearing is actually from this palette right here. So that's a little something to look forward to. Pricing on everything will be linked down in the description box because I don't have the numbers in front of me right now. I'm filming on my phone, so I can't really, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's go. Whew, okay. This is weird. I have to like look right here and not straight because I don't have my cameras with me, so I'm using my phone to record this. Luckily, I got a brand new phone recently, so the camera should be good on this, but it's a little annoying that I think I left my camera at my parents' house that live almost 2 hours away, so yay. I did my full face of makeup already except for the products that I'm going to use today, so let's go. Look at these colors. They're so freaking neutral and just beautiful. I'm very excited. We're gonna start out with Face Your Fears and do that just like as our all over shade. Fluff that all over. I'm so happy that both of these palettes came with this type of shade because it's just necessary for palettes. Like there's no excuse anymore why eyeshadow palettes can't come with an all over shade, and you know, it's necessary. Let's go with the shade Bliss and do that in our transition area. Let's do that down below too. Let's do the shade Batcat, and I'm gonna do that like on the outer half of my eyes. Moving along, let's do the shade right next to it called Chase Me. Oh, that's really pretty. And we're gonna do that on the inner half. Let's try the shade Ever After on the very outer edge. Okay. Hopefully this gold will be the saving grace in this palette. It's the shade Marry Me. A little sparkly. I'm gonna do that on the... Do I want to do it on the inner corner? Yeah, I think I do. thought it was gonna be a little more chunky and sparkly, but it's kind of showing up as like a shimmer, like the rest of these shades. See, that side looks better. What did I do wrong? Did I just not do enough on this side? There we go. Okay, it's a little better. And I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of wedding dress and dab that straight in the middle of each lid. I think I'm actually gonna do the shade Honest to Love on the lower lash line. Yeah, see, that's not enough for me. Realistically, all we have is that brown shade, that Ever After. Everything else is like way too light. It's just me, or was that the quickest eye tutorial I've ever done? This is the highlighter palette, and you've got 4 different shades of highlighter in here. Look at that. They are all rather sparkly. These 2 are pink ones. These ones are kind of more brown goldeny. So obviously we're gonna do a pink one. Let's do Blackgate, which looks to be the lightest. It's kind of throwing me off a little bit because, like I said at the top of this video, I still have like some glitter flecks left over from my last eye look that are pesky and don't want to come off, but it's okay. Let's do the lips. I think Dangerous Love is just like, it's like a lip kit sort of moment. So satisfying to see like a crisp bullet of lipstick. Although this one's got like, it's fine. Definitely a little more like peachy orange than I'm used to, but it's all right. Let's do the gloss. Okay, it's not like a traditional gloss, which, like I'm sure you can see, it's not very shiny and juicy looking, but it's definitely slick, like on the lips, not overly. I mean, it's a preference thing, so if you're looking for more pigment and less like juice shine, I guess this is fine. Let's put on mascara and wrap up this video. Feels much better with mascara on, a lot less scary. All right, here we go. So final thoughts on these 4 items right here. The eyeshadow palette is probably gonna be good for beginners. I wasn't seeing very much color payoff from even the darker shades, so it's really good for beginners that may not want a lot of pigment and they're just starting to build up their skills, or it could be good for someone who just obviously likes more natural looking makeup. All these shades are pretty neutral. That being said, if this weren't a Batman palette, I would just mistake it for any other palette from Makeup Revolution because their products are inexpensive and they're just kind of meh. There's nothing really standouty about this palette at all. That gold shade that I have on the inner corner, that's like really the closest thing, but even that is not super blingy. It's a little bit more pigmented than the regular rest of the shimmer shades. The highlighter, you can't really go wrong with highlighter. The shade that I did use, I enjoy. Let me just swatch these other 3 really quick. Yeah, they're all pretty similar in tone. I don't know if you can see that, but I feel like I could actually honestly use these darker shades. Yeah, if I was like in the summer, these are good shades. I would wear them, I think. That one's a little bit too dark. Lip shades, a little bit questionable for me. It's not something I'm used to, so let me know. Maybe if I just had like a lighter shade like on the inner corner to kind of give it some movement and diversity, then I might like it a little bit more, so we'll keep playing with those. But they're nice though. They're nice and comfortable wearing. So that is my thoughts on the Batman collab with Revolution Beauty. and let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Don't forget my part 2 to this video where I review these 3 guys is available right now on TikTok, so I will link that in the description box. That way you can go watch that and give it a follow and like. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and ring the notification bell. That way you are notified when I post my next video, because I don't really have a set schedule. If you have been on my channel at all before, you know I just kind of post like random here and there things that I'm interested in. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.